Hi guys, welcome to day 22 of our 30-day structural analysis challenge, and today we want to look at the importance of the bending moment and shear force diagram. Now, I said initially that the bending moment and shear force diagrams will show the analyzer how bending moments and shear forces are varying within the beam. So as you are seeing from this our diagram, it seems like nothing much is happening as regards shear along this place. It seems that from here to here the bending moment is increasing steadily till it gets to this peak value. It remains at this peak value and then begins to descend. So information like this is exactly why we draw our shear force and bending moment diagram. We want to be able to pictorially see points that are critical as regards shear and bending moment. So at this point we can obviously see that whatever value is here is the critical point of bending in this beam, and then if I want to design, I just simply pick this value and use it to design this entire length of beam. Same thing for my shear. I see that this point is the biggest, highest, so I simply pick this value and then I can use it to design the rest of the beam. Because if it's safe here, the setting is going to be safe. So these are why we draw our bending moment and shear force diagram, so we can be able to easily see the trend and the patterns. And there's something I want to mention very quickly. We are seeing that generally bending moments usually becomes zero at points where our shear force is at its highest value, and this thing usually occurs in a simply supported beam arrangement. So we can see that here is 0. This is the maximum value of our shear force, and then we can see patterns. We see that where we have a straight horizontal line in the BMD, we are having a diagonal declining line. We are seeing that when we have another one here, we're having another one here. So these are general rules that apply while drawing. So for SFD, when you have a straight line this way, you can have a bending line this way. When you have a bending line this way, you have a parabola. When you have another parabola, you have another parabola. So these are some very important and key information we can pick out of bending moment and shear force diagram, which is why every single one of you has to learn how to draw these. And in my next video, I will be showing you exactly how you can do that. You do not want to miss it. Thank you very much for sticking around through to the end of this video. Do well to continue to like, do well to continue to follow us, do well to continue to drop your comments in the comment section. I remain Engineer G, trying to take civil and structural engineering concepts one step at a time, making them easier for all of us to understand. Thank you.